In this video, I will show you a new optimization of the auto heal engine that will automatically power on a spare host during an auto heal operation that rebuilds a VM. So let's quickly remind ourselves what auto heal does. So let's go into workspaces, open up the auto scale configuration of a host pool and scroll down to the auto heal section. If we enable auto heal, what this allows us to do is specify conditions that define a host is broken and then tell the system what to do to automatically fix it. The first action is always a restart, but if the restart doesn't fix the problem, then the host is considered unrecoverable and can be automatically removed and recreated or left as is and notified the administrator. When removing and recreating the host, this process can be quite lengthy and also depends on why the host has failed. The VM may be in a bad state. So the process of removal may take quite a while. While that's happening, auto heal will now power on another powered off host that isn't currently being used, obviously, because it's powered off, and put it in the rotation or into the host pool to replace the host that is currently broken and is being fixed by being removed and recreated. So this just allows us to replace any capacity that's currently being maintained with any spare capacity that may be available. Now, unfortunately, if there's no available hosts, if there are no hosts that are powered off and ready to be powered on, it will just have to wait until this broken one is removed and re-added. But if there are powered off base capacity hosts, those will automatically be turned on and made available in the host pool. See you next time.